Hi everyone, today we are looking at P6 2021 SA2 ROSYTH paper 1 question number 12. Okay, so this is, you can see over here, this is an area and parameter question, okay? And let's start by reading the first sentence. It says that Ayasha cuts out 4 identical right angle triangles, okay? Nothing much to write. Okay, we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe we can call it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, each means one of it has a perimeter of 36 centimeters. So this itself, okay, if I were to add this plus, maybe I will just use different colors, plus the base, and definitely this, okay, will give me 36. So what we can say is, let's call it A, B, and C. Okay, I don't know what's A and C, but I know for sure A plus C is equals to 36 minus 9, right? Because if the yellow part, or in fact, I would say A plus B plus C is equals to 36, we can find out what's A plus C, and that gives me 27 cm. Okay, now, once I'm done with this, I can go on to the triangles that are, formed in this manner. All right, what I want to do is I want to highlight, okay? I want to highlight one thing, okay? And that I know, okay, that whatever that is opposite the right angle is C. So if we look at triangle number 1, we know that triangle number 1, this is the right angle. Therefore, whatever that is opposite is called C. Okay, I want to identify C and A. So I know that that's equals to 27. Okay, then the next part is this one. Whatever that is opposite, so this is C. Okay, and then for this triangle number 4, I know that this is C. For triangle number 3, I know that this is C as well. Okay, so you can see C, C, C. Now, another thing you want to do is you might want to even highlight so that you know that that is C. Okay, now, the next thing I want to find out is what's A, correct? So A, we know that it is actually the height. So we'll just highlight all of A. Okay, and definitely we want to find out what is the base. Okay, so we can see that the base is actually for triangle number 1, this is the base as well. For triangle number 2, this is the base. For triangle number 4, this is the base. For triangle number 3, this is the base. Okay, now once I'm done with this, right, what I want to do is I want to find the perimeter of the figure. Okay, now the perimeter of the figure, you know, right, it is not including these 4 parts. So we want to cancel out that 4 parts, okay? So now the thing I know for sure is if I were to separate the 4 triangles, my total perimeter has to be 36 times 4. Okay, so if I were to do 36 times 4, okay, you do your simple calculation, you will get 144 centimeters. But what I know for sure is that whenever we talk about perimeter, it is referring to the outside, isn't it? So if it is the outside, that is the reason why I crossed out the 4 parts. So what I want to do is I want to remove the crosses. Okay, I want to remove the 4 parts. Okay, because 144 is the perimeter of all 4 individual triangles. Now, I have put them together, which means to say we are just calculating the outside. Okay, we are just calculating the outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just highlight the outside now. Okay, I'm going to highlight the outside now. Now, if you have highlighted it, it's okay. You don't have to remove. Okay, now I'm going to highlight the outside. Okay, and the parts that I have to remove would be this one, which is 9 cm, right? Because this is the base for triangle number 1, this is triangle number 2, this is 3, and this is 4, right? So which is 9 cm, and we can see that triangle number 2, the base is 9, which is over here. Triangle number 4, the base is here. Triangle number 3, the base is here. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to look at each of the triangle and remove away the parts that shouldn't be or shouldn't exist in this shape. Okay, in fact, I would say the part that shouldn't exist in the perimeter of this shape. Look at triangle number 1. The part that I have to remove is actually 9 and 9. Make sense? So I'm going to write down triangle number 1, 9 times 2, which is equals to 18 centimeters. And this is the one that I have to remove. Okay, now, and then we continue on looking at triangle number 2. You realize it is also 9 and 9. Okay, so we are just going to write down number 2. I have to remove 18 centimeters. Triangle number 3. You can also see that it's 9 and 9. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Finally, triangle number 4. We can also see that it's 9 and 9. So we are just going to remove it. Now, so what I'm trying to say is this, okay? The total perimeter, if I were to separate them, it is 144. But now that I have combined, I have to remove all of this from my total perimeter to find the perimeter of the shape. Okay, so in order for me to find the perimeter of shape, I will have to do 144 minus away 18 times 4, which is equals to 144 minus away 18 times 4, that gives you 72. And therefore, your answer has to be 72 centimeters. And that is the reason why your option is number 1. Okay, so that is the reason why your option is number 1. And with that, I've come to the end of my video for question number 12 of P6 2021 SA2 ROSYTH. Thank you very much, and I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.